shooting them in the business. I don't know she, I don't care. So I'm shooting at the machine because of the machine. I been done and run come for use all along. Me never did know say sis did have intentions for going on the machine. Remember now, I don't know this lady from nowhere. So, story time. Long time I don't come over here with no story time, no people. Talk truth. Long time I don't run in for with a story time. But I think it's time for me to give you guys a story time. Hear that joke you know.
Finally plug in your Bumblecliff phone.
I look on the rank and out there, you see? So let me lie down myself good and tell you that nice, clean, good story. Yeah. Yes. So the other day now, people, me the Mandeville. I have this thing where, guys, when I have to swim, I don't know if you can see it, but the whole has to swell. All has to swell. My wisdom teeth have come out. And this has been happening to me for almost like 2 weeks. And the wisdom teeth that is coming out, it's making me very hard to talk. It hurts a lot. Yes. So, welcome back to the channel. Like, share, comment, subscribe. First thing to do when I start watching the video is like, guys, if you guys have any tips on how I can get through this wisdom teeth thing, maybe gonna please link me up if you wanna realize over here so good. But over here so it is swollen. See it right there, say over here so swell. So if you wanna have any tips or whatever on how me can deal with it, wanna tell me them. I don't really appreciate it. Wait there, 1 minute. Yeah, guys. So the kids are not here. The kids gone with them with her. They gone with Aisha godmother. So them the Aisha godmother, and them just gone like a while. My boyfriend up on the road, and I'm me alone. Well, I'm me alone there, but I don't know anything. Out of any background. No, me not laugh. That's not funny. I hope me know say a she that. Well, put it on speaker, me ask her who she be. Hi, good night. Okay, come in here. Woman in the background, so me have to wonder. Alright, thanks. Alright. Sure. Alright. Jelani, me want chocolate or sweetie. Come if you come now. Charles chocolate, me want the orange pack. Yeah. Yeah. So as me I say, right? I give you a quick story time and all of that. Sorry about that. Don't have to sweet me. I feel sick, so I don't have to really sweet me. See that it swell up all the wall underneath them place, yeah. The wall of me as well. So guys, if you have any tips on how I can get rid of like the pain, you know help me out. Anyways, but I'm Mandeville wish there. So if you know me, you know say I don't like bring home money. Because I feel like when you have money for you, anything can happen. Like just like how when you don't have the money for you, anything can happen and you need money too. But who that? But I didn't know Zine, and I don't carry home the money with me because I don't like the idea of bringing home money with me. So I always put the money in the machine. If I make 3,000 lap on the road, I put the 3,000 in the machine. The thing is, I normally use the NCB because with the NCB, I have the app on my phone. I also have the CIBC app on my phone. but with the NCB is easier to use for me. I don't know about anybody else, but for me, the NCB app is easier to use. So I like using the NCB app more than any other app. So I will use the NCB app to do everything. So the app broke down. I was locked out of my app because it was disabled for a few days. And I had no idea why that had happened. I was told by the app to call NCB. I don't know if it was Kingston or overseas. I don't know who I called, but it was an overseas number. I think. I don't remember. Anyways, when I called them, I cannot even rest my hand on my face to how it's hurting me. So that's the reason I'm going to really like give one of the big vibes and so on like. But if you know want me start back story time, make that story time, I get 100k likes in the first 3 hours, and I will do a lot more story times. But I just want to say when I love the story time, them like when I used to love them, so I can start killing them back with story. Like every day I go at on the road. So anyways, most of them now, guys, and my face look lean. But I'm going to boom now and sort out the app. So I wanted to go now to the machine to go lodge some money because the app fixed now, right? However, it was in the night and I could not go to NTV because if you're from Mandeville, I'm from Mandeville for the persons that don't know this yet. The app, the machine, sorry, is, oh my God, my face hurts. The machine is... my face will kill me, honestly. I don't know if I can finish that video. Yeah. When I feel me, the more I talk, the more my face hurt me. So I'm going to do that video really fast. Alright. The machine there is my wisdom teeth. The machine there around the Mega Mart, if you don't know Mega Mart, you don't know around the NCB, NCB Bank is the big NCB bank. And that is the only one in Mandeville that you do the deposit at that I'm aware of. So that is the one that I go to do my deposits and stuff. So I couldn't go to that bank because it was too far and I was not going to walk to go around there by myself at that hour. So I went to the CIBC machine instead because I have some money on me and I wanted to lodge it in the CIBC account. However, what I hate about the CIBC is the CIBC, it takes 2 to 3 days to lodge. So that is the only, you know, whatever. But other than that, it could. So I had to go to the CIBC machine. However, I went to the CIBC machine. Now, when I was coming across the road, there was nobody at the machine. So I started running because I was like, nobody did it. I'm going to just go and get through and come home. I don't want to go there and have to wait until people go in or whatever. However, when I was running, I saw a lady coming down the road. But mind you, now, I don't know if she's going in the machine or not. I don't know this lady from Adams. This lady don't know me. I don't know if she don't know me. She go about her business. Me I go about my business. Now, I'm running. Remember, I've been running all along. So I run breathlessly. I run, come. When I come now, I reach the machine, right? So I reach the machine, right? So, it's like I see the woman stop. So I'm shooting them in the business. I don't know she, I don't care. So I'm shooting at the machine because of the machine. I been done and run come for use all along. Me never did know say sis did have intentions for going on the machine. Remember, now I don't know this lady from nowhere. It's my first time seeing she. I don't know she and she don't know me. My first time I see this lady. And because I thought the story because my face hurt me. So because I boom now I'm in the machine. So I'm in the machine now. Here what happened now, guys. Remember now, the NCB app was not working. So because the NCB app was not working, I have no idea how many money is on my card. Because remember that I do promotions, and for now I am doing like very reasonable promotion. If you're a YouTuber and you want me to post your link or you want me to say, okay, hey, like I want to check out The Official Family, which is my other page on YouTube, where now on video, I can do that for now for just $3,000 for this week only. And if you don't want me to post the link, I can do it for $2,000 NCB or PayPal. So y'all can DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram link will be in the description if you are interested. So mind you, I don't know how many money is on my card, but I need some money to do something. So when I went in there, I couldn't check only one card. I have to check 2 cards. So when I went to the machine, I checked the NCB card first, took off what I was taking off, and then I checked the CIBC card, and I was doing a deposit. Now, for everybody that does deposits, you know that deposits take a longer time. So I was in the machine doing my thing, and this lady out there, I never know say I'm a attack. Here the lady now. Hey, girl, You see me, I come and you run going at the machine in there so long. Me say dirty, cranny, nasty. Me say, people me can't even talk. Me tell her because I don't want me on YouTube, have no problem. But me say me deep up on that old self, you see? Me say me deep up on that old bald self, you see? Me say me deep up on that old chaw. I give it to her out there. Me say don't bright yourself because the same tax where you pay the bank to keep your money are the same tax me I pay them to keep my money, lady. And all if your account rich and my account broke are the same tax the two we pay. And you know more than me. That me I tell you. So when me in a this, I go and wait until me come out. You know what me do? Where I just stand up in there. But don't do madam, but just stand up because at me, my eat and some of the people them got the machine and I come go on like say I feel them machine with them over them backside whole yard. Lady, me had the something. If me never did the something mode in the machine so long, after me no after me no numbers and me no press button and me no mirror and me no machine. I don't live in there. I don't need to be in there. Me not wall, me not paint. Me no need to be in there. More in there if me never had something in there. Obviously, I saw me, I do not come here, come spread bed, lady. If you did see me, we don't have bed, I want pill, I want shit, no. You could have come talk. But you never see me with none of that. You come see me, I use the machine. You know, all your mouth and all can until me done. All the backside, I come cause so. You know, much time I use the machine and through the line long. Me can't go to the people who in there do them things and go tell them, say them do it too long. Me can't do that. Me have to wait till they do what them do and come out and shut my mouth, keep my mouth because it's not my business. Because when me go in, me don't want nobody rush me. And that is the reason when people go in a machine, I don't try to rush them. Me no rush people when they in a machine, you know. Me don't rush people because I don't want them to rush me. So guys, me just tell you this. And everybody patient and willing. Sometimes when you see some people in them bad days don't leave people alone. Because the woman could have come at the woman could have turn up and the woman could have wait. I just 2 cards. Me I check. Me do an inquiry and then me do one deposit. Obviously it's gonna take some time, but you don't know what I was doing. I don't know what you were doing. I didn't even know you were going in the machine. I ran. You were walking, honey. You could have did run too, but you walk. And me did obviously reach over there before you come out to go in before you reach before you. So just wait till me done doing me I do and come out. The moral of the story is stop where I can pick trouble. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Remember 2K likes if y'all want another video. Yes, another story time video. I got lots more to tell y'all. But more than to ask feed because I'm also listening to good story them. I don't know watch them. I have millions of story time videos on here. But in fact, I'm supposed to have 250 video on yes alone with a story time, so you can go watch them. If you never watch them, go watch them back. Love you, know, big for yourself. Peace out.